Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss the most discussed two topics in this video. The first one will be regarding the benefits at TCS, that is health insurance scheme, that is HIS, and we are also going to discuss about the wings one, which is very important for TCS employee. If you want to double your salary, that is increase it you by 100%. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. But there are a lot of hidden rules, limitations, and traps that most of the TCS employee don't realize until it's too late. And we also share all these things, the information with all of you guys. So guys, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, and share this video with all of your friends who are working at TCS. The number one point that we are going to discuss is Wings 1, how you can double your salary with TCS. Now, I've created a dedicated video on this particular topic. I have explained everything in detail, right? About what is the articulation, what is the minimum passing percentage, what is the domain learning certificate, what are the tracks, different tracks like core, full stack, distinction, and then there are other elective tracks also, right? So, all these things we have discussed with you, that is track 1 and track 2, what is the distinction that you have to get into. All these things we have discussed, but the important point here, let me just start the pointer real quick, is that the prerequisite, okay? The last date to submit your registration, to do your registration for Wings 1, is 10th of April 2026. And this is very important because before that you have to complete the prerequisites also, and this is going to be of utmost importance if you want to crack the Wings 1. Okay, if you need any detail about any particular topic, you can let us know in the comment section. We will make a video on that particular topic. Okay, now let us move towards the next important point, that is we are creating a new video series which is regarding the benefits of not working at TCS. The first video received a lot of praise and appreciation. We covered a lot of points which a lot of people want should know and they wanted to know. Then we are also going to create the part 2, which is the salary hike related at TCS. The part 3, which is business units and different projects and different locations, that is part 3. And part 4 will be regarding the work life balance, how you can get into a good project, how you can make sure that you are having a very good work life balance from someone who has spent almost 1 decade, are having an experience of 1 decade, 10 years in TCS. Okay, so please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Now coming back to the most important topic, that is the health insurance. Okay, the key info you must know, we are going to discuss that. The first important thing is this HIS scheme is financial year based, which means that it will start on 1st of April and it will end on 31st of March. Okay, the insurer is basically New India Assurance, which is a government company that is providing you the insurance. And the TPA, third party, okay, aggregator is MediAssist. Okay, earlier it was MediBuddy, now it is MediAssist. Okay, now next important thing is, what does this cover? This covers your hospitalization. This means that if you get admitted into a hospital, you or your family members who are registered under the HIS scheme, okay, you will be getting hospitalization. All the admit charges, the operations, the surgeries, and all those things charges will be covered under this. Let me tell you guys, one of my friends, his parent, his father got a major injury on his head, and almost 15 lakh rupees of the money, the medical bill, was like waived off by the HIS scheme. Okay, because the operation, the surgery, and other things, unfortunately that friend of mine lost his father, but all the medical expenses was borne by the particular medical insurance only at TCS. Okay, then comes the domiciliary part. Suppose you are visiting a doctor and you are having a receipt of the bill that you are paying, the medicines, or if you have the doctor's prescription and all those things, then you will be getting domiciliary benefit also. It is around 6,000 rupees for Ninja, or it depends on the grade that you are, the plan that you have selected. Okay, we will discuss about that plan shortly, but I want to discuss that domiciliary benefits. A lot of people don't know. You can go and search about domi claim in our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. You will be finding a lot of videos and you can watch any one of them. Okay, if you want to us to share the entire process, how you can claim this domiciliary. Suppose you are having cold, you are having some kind of pain in your hand, and you go to the doctor, and then doctor is giving some prescription, you are paying for the doctor's fees, and then you are going to the medical, you are getting the medicines also, then also that is also getting paid, okay, from that 6,000 rupees or 12,000 rupees or whatever is the amount that is there for your particular plan. Okay, then there is treatment OPD plan based. Okay, this is also covered. Now the most important point here is the plan available, right? So if you are someone who is a Ninja candidate, if you are someone who is a BPS candidate, or a B Pharmacy or BCA graduate or something like that, okay, you should be working with C1Y or C2 grade, then in that case you will be coming under the silver plan. If you want to upgrade it, you can do that also, but there are some twists also. We will discuss that also. So there are silver, there is gold, and there are platinum plans. Mostly the higher management, senior management, they are getting the platinum plus plans. Okay. Now plan depends on the employee grade, as I already mentioned. If your grade is C3A, C3B, okay, then the plan is gold. If it is higher than that, if you are a vice president or area manager or something like that, then it is platinum plus. Okay. The next important point that I wanted to discuss here, I've already mentioned, right? Hospitalization, domiciliary OPD is claimed, and silver, gold, platinum, right? Now, what is covered by TCS? Okay. So TCS, when you are joining TCS, you will be have to fill this particular form, the HIS form, where your the spouse, if you are like your wife or your husband will also be covered in this particular policy, and up to three children will be covered in this policy. But the most important thing here, guys, is to register your family members. So if you are having two kids, if your a new son is born, your son is born, right? Then within some particular days you have to register with the HIS team that, hey, I have a son now and I want to register him or her. I mean, it can be son, it can be daughter also. So I want to register them into the HIS policy. It can be twins also, so we can I'm mentioning them. Okay. So up to three children can be considered and covered free of cost. Okay. The spouse, that is husband or wife, and three children can be covered by TCS, that is done by default. Okay. But you have to pay extra for your parents, or you can also enroll your parent in law. And also there can be additional children. Suppose you are adopting your children, then also you will have to pay this particular like charge for the extra charge, that is for the HIS, right? Then your actual cost depends on the family size. Yeah. Okay. This point is clear. You can either enroll your parents or your parent-in-laws. Okay. That is the rule. The next important thing is I wanted to highlight here is that most of the people do not know this, that there is a 3-year lock-in. Okay. So for example, if you are at a silver plan and if you want to go to gold or if you want to go to platinum plus, there are some medical issues in your family and you want to go with platinum plus. Yes, that is possible, but you have to pay extra amount. And the second thing is that if you go towards a higher plan, then you'll be stuck for 3 years lock-in. That is, if you are having right now paying 14,000 for your parent, right? Then you add your like you are upgrading to a gold plan or a platinum plan, then you'll have to pay around 45,000 or 50,000, just for an example. Then you'll have to pay that same amount for the next 3 years also. You cannot lower it down, you cannot bring it down until and unless there is a death or something that like that happens. Okay, this is clear. Then coverage ends immediately, that is on the last working day itself at 12 p.m. Okay, your coverage will be ending, your policy will be ending. So it is very important that you go with a private policy. And if you want that, I will provide a link of policybazaar.com. You can go and check out the policies. Even I have taken policies from Policies Bazaar, which is term life insurance and health insurance. So you should also do that. Okay. Next is no refund policy. So for example, if you are paying a premium and then that is going through silver or gold, okay, for your parents or parent-in-law, in that case also what might happen, that you are taking an additional HIS policy from external sources. Then in that case you cannot take it back, you cannot unroll, you cannot get any particular refund to cancel the policy that you have already taken. Okay. And let me tell you guys, right now the window is open. This is very important. If you want to add your family members, your parents or your parent-in-laws or your children also for that matter, then the window is open right now to enroll for health insurance scheme. If you have not done that, then guys, please do this, because this is going to be of utmost importance. Okay. Next thing is limited changes only during March and April window. Okay. So if you want to do that, then you have time from 1st till 22nd of April. 1st April to 22nd April. I'm insisting a lot to all of you guys. This is going to be very important. 1st to 22nd April is very important. One wrong plan choice and there will be a long term impact. So this I wanted to highlight. Okay. Guys, if you're finding this video that this is helpful, then please share it with other people who are working at TCS, so they can also benefit from these kind of videos. The next important part, okay, that I wanted to share, the TCS health insurance, which are there are some risk and limitations also. So as I already mentioned, that it is 3 years locked and ends on the same day that you resign, and there are no refunds, okay, as such, and there is no way out. Once you choose a higher plan, you can only change it after 3 years. Okay. So one thing I wanted to highlight, two things basically. Okay. So suppose that you go on a leave without pay, okay, you are taking some time off, then also your coverage is going to be still active for you, your spouse, and your three children. This is was a lot of people asked me this question, so I wanted to highlight this. And post retirement also, the policy will be getting continued on. Okay. Suppose you are retiring in December 2026, okay, till next year April it will be there, but after that you will have to pay full premium yourself. Okay. So once you retire, you will have to pay the full premium yourself only, and continuity is possible, but it is not free at all. Okay. Then next thing is cashless claims. So as I already mentioned, you can go towards the network hospitals, or you can use the e-card. The MediAssist e-card is provided in the Ultimatics portal. You can go and download that also. Or you can also find the list of network hospitals. Suppose you want to go ahead and get a surgery done of your shoulder or your back or something like that, or something operation of some other thing, right? Then you can go and check out the network hospital list from Ultimatics, and then you can find the network hospital wherein the free claim will be. Then you will not have to pay anything, it will be cashless. Or you can also use the e-card, that is MediAssist e-card. Next is reimbursement. Suppose you don't go with this cashless scheme, you want to go with cash claim. Okay. You have paid certain amount in that particular hospital and you want to get the claim, then you have to submit an application with Ultimatics. You can reach out to the MediAssist team, you can email them, and they will be helping you with your solution and your reimbursement. The timeline is that after getting hospitalized, okay, you will have to raise the request for expense and everything, that is 90 days of expense, within 90 days of expense. Okay. You'll have to let them know, and you will have to start with the process of submitting the documents and other things. The final deadline to do everything is 30th of April. Okay. So previous year claims you have to do before 30th of April, right? Then one more important thing is that if you miss the deadline, then consider that your claim will be rejected, and this is going to be of very much importance. Okay. I hope that this risk and limitations is clear to you. Okay. So we have discussed both of the things, that is risk and limitations, and we have also discussed about the health insurance, the information that you should know. Okay. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If yes, then guys, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We are going to create a series of video about how you can get better and how you can grow in TCS and other companies also. So make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the corporate, that is IT industry. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.